Hey guys, so we have recently built one of the most awaited app on make.com is like YouTube, right? So YouTube app is live from our side. We have built it a custom app and it is available currently on the invitation basis. Now there are a lot of functionalities we have built in here, so which can help you to manage your entire YouTube channel, all the videos, even comments, auto replies, and so many updates across all these different modules, right? So I'll quickly walk you through what all modules are available currently here. So first of all, we have triggers like can be whenever you get a new comment on your videos, you can have that comment available on asset basis, or let's say instantly. You can even get notification for any new video uploaded on across any channel. So you just have to define the uh, channel ID, and this trigger will give you any instant updates. Apart from that, you can easily manage all the videos here. So it's like either you can update your video, so it includes all the different information about updating a video. So you just have to provide video ID. You can update title, you can update video category, description, language. So all options available when we publish any video, all options are there. So everything is embedded here as well. There can be a good use case when the year gets changed, and if you have any time sensitive content. Let's say if you have one video called learn MS Excel in 2022. Now in 2023, if you want to automatically update that year, then yeah, that can be done through this video content update. Apart from that, you can even create comment, let's say list all the comment, reply on a specific comment, right? Then you can manage your entire channel, so description update or any kind of banner update, or let's say even you can get channel IDs. You can manage the entire live broadcast also. Plus you can create playlist, or you can add delete playlist, or even you can list down items across any playlist available throughout YouTube. Plus API call options also there, so enormous scope is opened here. You can use any of the YouTube authorized APIs, and that can work around. And finally, you can also have other options to get statistics about a channel, about a video, or list categories of video, or maybe you can simply search any specific title keyword on YouTube, and it can list down all the results. Now I'll quickly show you one of the example. Let's say create a comment. So in here, you just have to first add your connection. Now you'll have to put your or any of the video ID across YouTube, and you can put the comment text. So for example, I'll walk you through quickly. Here's the YouTube I opened. Let's say the movies Avatar 2, one video is available here. I'll just pause it. Here we got the video ID, right? Now you can see here, so total 105 comments are there, sorted by, if I put newest first, 2 hours ago someone commented, right, if Disney is involved. And so now if I just put this comment here, and I say this is a demo comment from YouTube custom app, right, and I say I'll just run it. Now it will take a few seconds, or maybe a little while, and this comment will update to this particular video. Meanwhile, I'll walk you through a couple of other things. So let's say I go to YouTube. If you want to reply to any specific comment, you'll just list down all the comment available on a video, and you can simply reply to any one of them. So let's say, for example, if you want to list down comment on a particular video, now it says, do you want to include replies? That's fine. Now what is the source? So you can get comment from a video, or from parent comment, or even like comment for a particular channel for all the videos. So let's say, for example, we'll go with this video ID. The video ID we took it from here, and then let's list it down. So I'll say okay, let's just a second, let's run it. So here we got a list of 20 items which we have. Now here the first 20 comments are listed since we put in the limit, and here you can see what is the comment, what is the comment text. See, I think they listed first our comment. Let's say, let me do it again. Let me sort it by newest first. See here, 1 minute ago our comment is published here. This is the demo comment from YouTube custom app. So this is how, first of all, comment can be done. Secondly, when you fetch comments, so let's say we fetch any of the comment. Now it can show us complete detail about that comment. So who's the author, who's that author profile image, author name, what comment they have put in. So this fellow put in like, if Disney involved, you can keep it, not interested, whatever, this comment, right? Similarly, any other comments. So this can be very useful when you are running YouTube ads and people comment about their interest, or any leads you get from there, right? So that's how you can list down comments. Apart from this, let's say for example, if you want to let's say play around the playlist. So if you want to list down all the items of a particular playlist, let's quickly walk through how it works. Here we'll have to provide playlist ID. So let's go to this particular channel and let's look at for playlist. Now in this playlist they have 7 items, so I just click on here and this is the playlist ID, right? So I copy it from here. Now in this playlist they have 7 items and it's all about let's say blood machines, attraction, blood machine, and all these stuff, right? So I park it here. Okay, let's run it. So that's how okay, let's check it out. So top 5 results, it's responding now, and here you see the first video they have is blood machine. It was published at this particular date and time, description of this particular video, and thumbnail. So you can even get all thumbnail image resolution as well. So let's say if I just put this URL here, this is the thumbnail for first video which we are watching now, right? So yeah, everything is there. You can just even content status, is it public or private, any kind of, right? So you can have complete insight about the entire playlist. So that's how you can build a complete custom flow to manage your videos, channel, playlist, even put up any comment, reply to comments. There can be a number of use cases, and this can be very helpful app for you. So please check it out. Here the link is given below. So it's a public invite. You can just either fill the form or check out directly through link, right? And our team can get back to you. So thank you. If you have any comments, any suggestions, improvements on this app, we are more than happy to do it. Yeah, so thank you very much. Have a nice day.